Hello and welcome back to another weekend website course tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move one WordPress site over to another WordPress site. There are a ton of different use cases. I believe the very first time that I did this myself is I was working on a new website design and I didn't want to do it on my live website, so I decided to use another staging website or a local website install on my computer to build a website and then move it over to my existing live WordPress site. So today I'm just going to show you a very easy method to get that done. As you can see, I am on the WordPress dashboard. This is a site that I am wanting to export and pull over to the new website. So this website it's going to still be here, but I'm just going to take this entire website and move it over to a new domain that already has WordPress installed. So I hope that makes sense for you. So one of the first things I'm going to do is go over to plugins, add new, and I'm going to type in all-in-one, and that should bring up the plugin that I need. So we're looking for all-in-one WP migration by ServeMask. I've been using this plugin for years and they pretty much keep it pretty updated. 4 million active installs, last updated 6 days ago, so it's very well maintained. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and then activate it. Awesome. So now that we have the all-in-one WP migration plugin installed, now we're going to go over to its area over here in the menu, and I'm going to go to backups. So I'm going to go ahead and create a backup. And depending on how large or small your site is, this can take just a few moments, but this site is pretty small. So as you can see, it's already ready to download. So I'm going to go ahead and download this install. All right, so this next step is, so since I am taking this site and I am moving it over to a new website, now I need to pull up the site that I want to move it over to. So I have my Flywheel site open, or my Flywheel hosting account open, and I'm going to go ahead and click on my site, the support concierge, and I'm going to go to WP admin to go ahead and log me in. And now I'm on my site that I want to go ahead and import that last WordPress install that I just downloaded. So I'll need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin to this site as well. So I'm going to go over to plugins, add new, and I'm going to type all-in-one, and that should bring up the plugin that I need, which is all-in-one WP migration. Install and then activate when ready. All right, so now we have all-in-one WP migration on the support concierge website. So now I'm going to go over to the all-in-one WP migration tab in the menu, and I'm going to click on import. So now we are importing that downloaded file. Now there is a maximum upload file size, but there is a way to get around it by getting the unlimited plugin. I do have the unlimited plugin. Just want to show you guys that really quickly. So on the all-in-one WP migration, which is a ServeMask website, there's two options for the unlimited. If you see yourself uploading a lot of WordPress websites and migrations, it's definitely worth it. I purchased this plan some years ago and I still use it to this day. So the personal is $69 once. You can select that plan. Like I said, if you're going to be migrating a lot of different websites that are over the upload limit, then it's very much worth it to go ahead and purchase the unlimited version. But for now, I believe that our upload will be less. I believe it was 75 megabytes, so that should be perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and click on import. I'm going to import file, and let me find the install. So also keep in mind, if you have a junky download folder like I do, then you can always tell by it has the WPress as the type of file, so that makes it easier to spot there. Go ahead and click on open, and as you can see, that uploaded very quickly to this website, and it just takes a few moments for everything to update. Depending on how large the site is, it can take a lot longer or a lot less time, like this one did. So if you are ready, it's going to go ahead and overwrite everything that's on this existing website. So only click proceed if you want to completely overwrite this website with that with the WordPress site that you just uploaded. So go ahead and click on proceed. And this just takes a few moments here. Another thing to keep in mind, so since we took another website, another WordPress install, and we imported it here, what's going to happen is this website is no longer going to have the same username and password. It's going to use the same username and password as the other site. So I also want to just be clear, make sure that you do know or you have the username and password to the site that you imported handy, because it is going to use that information on your on the website that it was imported into. So go ahead and click on finish. And before we click on finish, let's actually go ahead and save the permalink structure if we can. Sometimes it doesn't let you because it's already, inside of a new website, but we'll go ahead and click it and see what happens. All right, so I can't actually log in anymore. I can't make any of those changes, and which is completely normal. So if you run into this error, don't worry about it. Once you log in, you can do the same exact thing. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to log in using the password from the previous website. So let me just enter that. Alrighty, so I have entered the username and password that was used on the other website, because as I was saying before, once you import another WordPress install, it's going to wipe out everything that was on this existing website. So you got to be careful with that. So go ahead and click on log in once you have your username and password in there. All right, and so now we can actually update the permalink settings. So the instructions say that you should actually save your permalink settings 2 times. So I'm going to go over to custom structure, and I'm going to click on save changes, and I'm going to go to custom structure one more time and click on save changes. All right, so perfect. So now that is completing the setup. So if you want to see what this looks like, so for example, let me go back over to my previous website, which is the WWC demo website. I'm going to go to visit site. All right, and this is this page. And then now I'm going to go over to the new website, and it also has WWC demo here because, like I said, it took the entire install. So go ahead and click on visit site, and it should look exactly the same. And there you have it. That is how you migrate one WordPress site to another. Thanks for watching.